Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I wanted to share a few patterns with you that you can make quickly to make some party outfits since it's that time of the year. So let's get started. First of all, welcome and welcome back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and in this video I just wanted to share with you some patterns, not a lot, but just to give you some ideas of patterns you might have already in your pattern stash and how you can match those up with some dressier fabrics and make yourself something quick and easy that you can wear to a party. So it's that time of year, so let's get started with the patterns. First one that I've made recently is the Roou Tea. It's an Angela Wolf pattern, and you've seen me make this many, many times. I've worn it. I have several of these. And there's a lot of different variations with this pattern, which is one of the reasons that I like it. So what I've done most recently is I had found a couple of pieces of stretch velvet in my fabric stash. And they were both red. One is like a deeper sort of burgundy color. And that is the one I used for the long sleeve top. And then the other is a bit brighter red, and I did not have as much of that one, so I used it to make a short sleeve top. But because it is stretch velvet, it looks a lot dressier than what it normally would as a regular t-shirt. And these, I've sewed both of these on the serger, and it took me about an hour, if that, to make them both. Now, I have made this many times before, but it's a super simple pattern with lots of variations. I did the twisted collar, and that always, for me, it makes it look more unique anyway. So with the twisted collar and it being made from stretch velvet, it gives it more of a festive look. And so that is something that is super easy and quick to make. So that's the first pattern. The next pattern that I want to share with you is Butterick 6368. It's a see and sew pattern. This is an older pattern, but the cardigan, the long cardigan that you will see in the photos with the stretch velvet top, it's a black and silver burnout fabric, burnout velvet, I believe. And I bought that years ago at Joann's, but that's this pattern here. Now there's no pockets in this one, and I kind of missed that. I wish I had made that when I first did it, but whatever, it's fine. This is for knits also, but you see you also have the like a tunic top and pants. You could use this whole pattern, make this outfit and make it something really party, festive, whatever. But it's a simple, quick pattern to make. I also did this primarily on the serger, and it's easy, and like I said, it can really elevate a look with the fabric choices that you use. So this is another one, Butterick 6368. Next is a pattern that I bought, I believe, last year, and I shared it. I'm pretty sure it was last year. Butterick 6966. I have yet to make this, but I still love it and I want to make it. It's the top and the pants. These pants here are a bit of a wide leg. I think that always makes things look a little bit dressier, a bit more elegant with the right accessories and the right fabric. Like this all black look here looks very dressy, but it's a very simple pattern. So what I'm saying to you is take a look at those patterns that you have. You might be able to put a look together that's going to be quick and easy and very comfortable to wear and stress-free for the most part. So this is another one that I really like for something like this. It's Butterick 6966. So this one is a good one, and I do want to get a chance to make this eventually, but I got to find my fabric, so we'll see how that one goes. Now, lastly is this Vogue. This is a new pattern. It's Vogue 2064, and this one is also for knits. It is a knit dress pattern. I like the longer sleeve one here with, it's got the thumb things in it, so you can, you know, cover your hands, but It has a lot of detail, a lot of style lines and detail in it, but this is really pretty. I have seen this made up online. I've not made it yet, but something like that, if you wanted a dress that's really comfortable and cute, this would be a good pattern. As I said, it's Vogue 2064. This would be a good option for something party ready and quick. Should be relatively quick and easy to make, but that is also another option. So as you can see with these patterns that I've chosen, they're all different in some way, but they have that ability to be dressed up a bit. And I think the thing to check for is that there aren't a lot of details, not too many details, not too many lines and things like that that you have to worry about, like pieces putting together. This one is going to be the most detailed of the ones that I showed you, the Vogue pattern. But still, I think that one is a good one that could be party wearable. But these patterns, they're all fairly simple, and that is something that I personally like. Simple, but you can make it dressy or you can make it super casual. And I am really going to advocate for using patterns that you already have. I know everybody's going to be having those Black Friday sales soon, if they've not started already. But I think it's important to also, rather than just be a pattern collector, use what you've got and just change up your fabrics and use that. You can make details, add details, or keep it simple. So those are my suggestions for some comfortable party wear, because that, like I said, that is something that I personally gravitate towards. So if you have other suggestions, please leave them down below. I thank you all for watching. Please hit like and consider subscribing to my channel. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.